going from this side to that side, and then we're going to come back. So there's a barge coming in very, very fast. I am waiting. It's okay, Koya. Ah!
Hey, where are you from?
Davao.
Davao City?
Davao City.
Yes.
Where are you from? Where are you from? Riverside.
Davao.
Yeah.
We're from Davao.
Yeah. Hattie, your sister?
Yeah.
Good. She look after you? Bugna, Bugna.
He did not understand you.
No. He did not understand me?
What's your name?
What's my name? Gary.
He did not
Jordana.
understand.
So, I'm in the wrong barge. The man's screaming at me. He's holding up the barge. Oh. Bye bye. Salamat, Kuya. The barge of life, the bunker. Oh. Musical. How much, Kuya? Nice breezy day. Oh, there we go. Much. Okay.
Change.
No change.
No. Thank you.
Rice. Oh. Salamat, Kuya.
Thank you.
Take care. Salamat, Kuya. Oh, wait there. Oh. So, we're on the other side of the river, and this is River Street, or Riverside. Yeah. So the bunker was 4 peso. You need to make sure you have enough money.
Hello, bye.
Hey, Kuya.
Hello.
Kumusta ka?
Okay ra, okay.
Okay lang?
Okay lang.
Oh.
How about you?
Oh. No?
It's a broken road.
No badge?
No. That's a detour.
Oh, only badge here?
Oh, that's a...
Close?
the dike.
The dyke? Oh, okay. So, on this side of the road, they're turning around and they're working to put in the drains and the flood defences. Yeah. Oh yeah. So We're on the other side of the road. Oh, look at that. It's Riverside. What am I doing, Gary? Well, I'm trying to find, that's it, a footpath. So I was over here and they've put in this new dike this side and they're putting in the new drains to stop the water flooding away the bank. So the bank this side, hello mum, the bank this side washed away on the river as it got to high tide. So now they're putting in the new defences. And you have to watch for the cables. There was loads of houses here. Check my vlog for 6 months ago. Now there are no houses. It's all gone. Hey dude, how we doing? So there was some houses here with people living on it and it all ended up down there. Now they're backfilling it and they're putting in the concrete defence. But we're going to this barge because we're going back. Bunker? Oh, good. Oh. RCFM. Hello, mom. How much is the badge? Okay, 4 peso. Do I pay you or pay the badge? Okay, mom. Salamat. What happened to the road river? The bank all gone? For the dike? So they're building this concrete this side as well. Yeah. Okay. You can keep your little house here. Davao River.
That song was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing.
This side, the bank this side is a lot higher. Because as the water comes down on the left hand side, it's got a higher rate of flow, so it pushes up the bank. Kuya. So you got the water pipe there, okay, and the drainage. You got the bridge going that way down towards Matina, and you got this side of the bridge coming in. And what is it called? Freiscanet, I don't know. German construction. And I'm walking out. Left, you go through the water, you go to the charcoal area of BANKEROHAN. Right is up to the onions and potatoes and the squatters town at the back of BANKEROHAN. Nice breeze today. Here. So you can walk that way through Squatters Town, but I'm going to give that a miss. You can hear the mosque in the background calling for prayer. It's got a lovely tone to it, hasn't it?
I will say.
Hi, Kuya. Police precinct. There you go, there's the onions. Oh, really strong smell of onion and garlic here. So this market, they're all resting, but this will turn around and be bulk sales tonight. It's not like the other side on BANKEROHAN where you can buy a kilo of this, a kilo of that. This is about buying 5 kilos, 6 kilos, more for businesses, cash sales. But it runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Chilies, halang. Another thing you need to watch when you're walking through here is potholes. You can be watching the traffic, you can be watching what's going on, but you can fall down a hole and it'll hurt your ankle. But you haven't got to go far to Davao dock. That guy there, that's a weight and a half, isn't it? Oh, what we got over here? Look at that meringue. So that's got a soft spiky outside. It's not like the durian, which is really hard. When you open that up, it's got big white pit. It's got brown pips with big white flesh over it. Very sweet. No, I used to eat it when I first came here, but not clever for my my sugar levels on my diet. And this road to the left goes to the main market, the main BANKEROHAN. And then right goes down to the back of the